Here's the app called Reverse Audio. So this is for reverse scening challenge. This is one of the easiest app to use it. So here is, you can just download it. Just reverse play recorded sound. This app records from microphone, then plays recorded sound or reverse play recorded sound. So you can just open it up. So super easy. You can save, maybe not. So you have saved files and here you can just tap to start the recording. One, two. Then you can play recorded. And then you can play reverse. And of course you can sing for it, and then you can change also loop playback, you can change playback rate, pitch shift, and then you can just save, share recorded, import from files. So things like that. This is what you can just do in here. And yeah, so that's basically the idea how you can use this app.